Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, a rope of length 15 cm is cut and divided equally among 5 children. So we have to find out the length of each segment. So let total length or the length of rope be denoted by capital L, which is given as 15 cm. Now this rope, so suppose this is our rope and we have to divide it into 5 segments, 5 equal segments. So let's cut the rope into 5 equal segments. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is segment number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in order to find the length of each segment, so length of each segment will be equals total length of the rope, which is capital L, upon number of divisions. Number of divisions. Now the total length of the rope is 15 and the number of divisions is 5. So length of each segment will be equals 3 centimeter. So let's write it over here. Length of each segment equals 3 centimeter. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.